And today, special counsel Jack Smith has filed a motion to dismiss criminal charges against President-elect Donald Trump.
These are the felony charges related to the Washington, D.C. election interference case. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest on this breaking story from Washington. Alice, good afternoon.
Matt and Maureen, and in addition to that federal election interference case, the special counsel also moving to dismiss the classified documents case against President-elect Trump. And today's move represents a major legal and political victory for the president-elect, effectively ending the federal cases against him in line with the Justice Department policy of not prosecuting a sitting president. In an historic turn today, special counsel Jack Smith moving to drop the federal charges against President-elect Trump, both for allegations that he sought to illegally overturn the 2020 election in the lead-up to the January 6 Capitol attack, and for the classified documents case involving boxes of sensitive material brought to Mar-a-Lago after the first Trump term, and allegations he obstructed justice in not giving them all back when the government asked. President-elect Trump denies all wrongdoing. Smith citing the president-elect's upcoming inauguration for a second term and the long-standing Justice Department policy that prohibits prosecuting a sitting president. Smith writing, quote, "That prohibition is categorical and does not turn on the gravity of the crimes charged, the strength of the government's proof, or the merits of the prosecution, which the government stands fully behind." Smith described the election interference charges against Mr. Trump in stark terms when he announced them last year, calling January 6th an assault on democracy.
It was fueled by lies. Lies by the defendant targeted at obstructing a bedrock function of the U.S. government, the nation's process of collecting, counting, and certifying the results of the presidential election.
A Trump spokesman saying in part, quote, "Today's decision by the DOJ ends the unconstitutional federal cases against President Trump and is a major victory for the rule of law." Smith's filing leaves the door open to revisiting the charges in the future, but the statute of limitations is set to expire during the next Trump term, meaning unless there's an intervention to pause the clock, it appears an unprecedented chapter in American legal and political history is closed. And legal analysts are saying it is highly unlikely that the statute of limitations will be paused, known as tolling, under the incoming Trump administration's Justice Department. Once in office, the president-elect could also move to pardon himself. Maureen?
Yeah, something everybody's been talking about, what will happen. Alice Barr, live for us. Thank you.